Hi, this is Malini. Today I'm going to show you a really interesting container that you can use for growing succulents. Now this is basically a recycled or used watering can. We basically drill a hole in the bottom so that the water can drain thoroughly, and we added our succulent mix, which has no peat moss because peat moss is too acidic for succulents and cacti, and it retains too much moisture. So we want to use a succulent mix that has plenty of pumice, which gives it extra drainage. But we added really pretty succulents here. As you see, one is blooming here. This is a Kalanchoe blossiflordania. This was another Kalanchoe paddle plant, and we have a sedum here. We have a long trailing succulent known as the Senecio jacobsonii. And a lot of this you see here is caused by the sun. When you have lots of sun exposure to succulents and less water, they become more reddish orange or pink. Generally, we water this type of container with a drainage on the bottom, and if it's outdoors, about once a week. And you can place this in your patio or even give it as a gift. Thank you for watching.